Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a one bedroom, one bath manufactured home at lot I-16 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So we'll take a look outside first. Here you can see that this house comes equipped with outside water and electric. Take a look around the back. You can see that this house doesn't have a lawn, and it has this kind of stone area all around, so it's very low maintenance. All you have to do is weed that. Get these two dueling steps at the front. Here's the other outside electric plug. And now we'll go take a look inside. So this house has full vinyl flooring throughout. You can see the thermostat there on the right. This is a centrally air-conditioned house, as well as forced hot air. Here's the kitchen. Got this really nice subway tile backsplash. There's all Whirlpool appliances in this house, which come with the warranty through the manufacturer as well. And you've got this laminate countertop. Now we'll take a look at the rest of the house. Let's start there. We pass that furnace, which is responsible for that forced air on central air conditioning. Got a closet door that runs the entire length of the room, and to the right of that you have your water heater. This room also comes equipped with a cable jack, just like the living room. Here you have your stackable washer and dryer, or where you would place it. Now we'll take a look at the bathroom. Got side-by-side sliding doors here. And there are two seats in there as well. It is fiberglass one-piece shower. And here we have the toilet and cabinet space right underneath the sink. If you're interested in this house or any other house that we offer, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you set up on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our three communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our three mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception, here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the second generation, and then our nephew and our son are the third generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our fourth generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the Turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office, this is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet, it's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.